My name is Agnes Mensah. I am 12 years old. I attend school at Child Bilingual Institute. My school is found in Ghana. I am interested in this programming because my school teaches programming. My project is about my teachings to a man at the market. I go to the market wearing a mask. I greet a man and the man tells me, "Why am I wearing a mask?" I then explained why I was wearing a mask, told him everything about the COVID, and then taught him some of the protocols, and then he thanked me and told me that he would adhere to these protocols. So now I'm going to demonstrate my code, and this is how it runs.
Good morning. Why are you wearing a mask? Sir, haven't you heard about the virus? Which virus? Please tell me more about it. It is the virus that started from China. It killed millions of people. And later Ghana contracted the virus. Some include washing of hands regularly, using an alcohol-based sanitizer, and wearing a mask regularly. So you must adhere to the protocols. Thanks and sorry for being rude. No worries.
So now I'm going to explain my code. So now I'm going to start my code. When I was doing my work, I used two sprites, one Hazel and the other Sam. I hope this will educate lots of people in public. Thank you.